Dear students, welcome back. In this session, we are going to discuss about the large intestine. The large intestine is about 1.5 meters long. The main subdivisions of the large intestine are the cecum, ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, sigmoid colon, and then rectum and the anal canal. Okay. So, the large intestine forms a curve within which the small intestine lies. Okay, so here you can see that curve which forms a curve within the small intestine where the small intestine lies. The terminal part of the ileum becomes continuation with the large intestine at the ileocecal junction. So here the small intestine is going to connect with the cecum called as ileocecal junction. Okay, near this junction the cecum is also joined by a short narrow blind tube called as vermiform appendix. This is called vermiform appendix. The ascending colon meets the transverse colon. The ascending colon meets the transverse colon. That meeting point is called as right colic flexure. The junction of the transverse colon with that of the descending colon is called as left colic flexure. Okay, so these are the main points, that is called introduction to the large intestine. If you see the peritoneal relations, the ascending colon, the descending colon are retroperitoneal. They are covered by peritoneum on the front and sides only, but the posteriorly they are in direct contact with the abdominal wall. What are those two colons? Ascending colon and descending colon or retroperitoneal. Ascending colon and descending colon or retroperitoneal. Okay. Next, the transverse colon is suspended from the posterior abdominal wall by the transverse mesocolon and the sigmoid colon by the sigmoid mesocolon. Okay, the cecum is usually surrounded all around by peritoneum and therefore has considerable mobility for this cecum. Okay. Its posterior aspect of the cecum is separated from the posterior abdominal wall by a recess of the peritoneal cavity called as retrocecal recesses. The vermiform appendix often lies in this recesses. The rectum is partially covered by peritoneum, while the anal canal does not come in contact with the peritoneum at all, because the anal canal is present in the pelvis. Okay, so this is about the introduction as well as the peritoneal relations of the large intestine. In the next session we will see each and every part of this large intestine. In the next session we are going to discuss about the cecum. Thank you.